I want to review how to multiply decimals. First, I'm going to take my horizontal problem of 8.2 times 6.4, and I'm going to write it vertically like this. I'm going to leave off my decimal points. I don't want the decimals there. In fact, I'm going to ignore them as I get started. If I am using my iPad, I'm going to write it in one color, and I want to solve it in another color. So I'm going to talk my way through this so you have an example. I'm going to be starting over here with the 4, and I'm going to multiply the 4 times everything on top first. 4 times 2 is going to be 8. I'm going to write that in. 4 times 8 is going to be 32. My 2 goes down. My 3 would go up here, but I don't actually have anything to put it on for it to sit on, so it's going to fall down. Now, I'm done with that 4. It's multiplied everything, so I'm going to cross it off. I don't actually need that little 3. That 4 crossed off also tells me that I need a 0 in the ones place. I'm now going to take the 6 and multiply it by everything on top. 6 times 2 is 12. The 2 goes down. The 1 will go up. 6 times 8 is 48, plus the 1 is 49. The 9 goes down. The 4 would go up, but like last time, I have nothing for it to sit on, so it gets to fall down. Now that I've done all of the multiplying, I'm going to draw my line, and I get to add them up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 9 is 12. 2 goes down. Bring that 1 up. 1 plus 4 is 5. Now I'm going to go back to my problem, and I'm going to look for where do I have decimal points. I noticed I've got a decimal here, and I've got a decimal here. So I'm going to circle any number to the right of it. You could also go back and put decimals into your problem and do it over here. I can circle the 2, I can circle the 4. They are numbers in the problem to the right of the decimal. Now, I need to figure out where to put that. So when I go look at my answer, I don't see a decimal point. If I don't see it, that means it's all the way at the end on the far right. I'm going to move 2 places, 1, 2, place my decimal point, and my final answer would be 5, 2, decimal point, 4, 8, or 52 and 48 hundredths.